In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Outlook emails to a new computer. Whether you're setting up a brand new machine or just needing to switch devices temporarily, transferring your emails is an essential step to ensure you have access to your important communications. We'll walk through the simple process using Microsoft's Outlook. Let's dive right in. To start, head over to the Microsoft Outlook web page. Once you're there, locate and click on the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. On the Sign In page, enter your login details carefully. Make sure every part of your email and password is correct. This ensures a smooth login process. Once ready, click Next to access your Outlook dashboard. Now that you're at the home base of your emails, you'll need to decide how you want to transfer these messages to your new computer. You have a couple of options here. You could save the emails on an external hard drive, which serves as a handy and portable backup, or you could simply install and log into your Outlook account on the new computer if you have access to the internet there. In this session, though, I'll guide you through saving your Outlook emails to an external hard drive. First, navigate to your inbox. Choose the specific email or emails you wish to export. It might be helpful to go through your emails ahead of time to decide which ones you definitely need on your new device. Once you have your email selected, look for the three dots icon, which is typically located in the right corner of your screen. This icon serves as a menu revealing several options, a powerful tool hiding just under your fingertips. Click on the three dots and drop down to find Downloads. Here, you'll be given a choice between two file types, EML or MSG. Now, both are good options. However, it depends on what you're familiar with. EML is often used across various clients, while MSG files are more specific to Microsoft products. Choose the one that suits your needs and hit Save, directing the file to your external hard drive. Once the emails are safely stored on your hard drive, they're all set to be transferred to your new computer whenever you're ready. Just plug your hard drive into the new computer and you can copy them over easily. You're now fully equipped with your essential emails right at your fingertips on your shiny new device. And that's it. This straightforward process secures your email's safe relocation, giving you peace of mind while making transitions between devices. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.